Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to save Twitter videos or X videos, whichever one you still call it. If you want to download videos on X, formerly known as Twitter, here's how to do it. So go to your X app. I'm going to use one of my videos as an example. So I don't encourage piracy. If you want to download video, make sure you have rights to that video. So what you have to do is to click on the share button and you're going to click on copy link. When you copy the link, you head over to this website. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. The website name is SSS Twitter. You have to paste the link over here and click on download. When you click on download, it will show you a few options. You can download in HD or download in SD or convert it to MP3 if you want. Now, if you want to download in HD, you have to watch some ads for them to give you the HD version of that video. But if you don't want to waste your time, simply click on download, the second one, which is a standard version. Click on close and it will pop up for you to download the video. Click on download. Now if I go to my downloads, you can see the video right here. So that's how you download video or save video on X. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.